up to 30 miles an hour in the evening. Highs in the lower 60s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Southeast winds up to 10 miles an hour. Friday, rain showers likely in the morning, then chance of rain showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of showers 60%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Chance of rain showers. Near steady temperature in the lower 50s. Chance of showers 50%. Saturday, warmer. Mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is Weather Radio Station